Hello, I'm working outside in my garden on some large lace. I'm making a lampshade and I just got to the end here. I'm on the second round. This is my first round and I'm attaching the second row of the lampshade. And I just got to the end here and I'm using magic loops as well for this large lace, as I like to do with standard size lace. And I got to the end and I realized I've inserted my first magic loop the wrong way around. You see, it's the knot end, so I won't be able to pull my end here using this magic loop because of the knot. So this gave me the idea to make a quick video to show you what you can do when this happens. So you simply use another magic loop and pull it through with this one. Don't want to go too fast because you want to make sure you don't pull it all the way. Like this. Whoop. And now I have a magic loop facing the right way so that I can insert my end and pull it back through my stitches. And there you go. Now I just need to cut my ends. So this is the back of the work, this is the front of my work. I just need to cut the ends and I'll be done. So just a little trick, if you ever find you have inserted your magic loop the wrong way around, this is how to deal with it. See you next time. Bye bye.